For the bear iso hold, we're just going to be doing an isometric position here in that bear, working on getting really good breathing mechanics and keeping our spine supported so we get really good core and diaphragm activation. So we have hands under shoulders, knees under hips, our toes flip under, and we find a nice long line with this force. So we're pushing the floor away through the hands, spine is long, abs are engaged. You'll notice I'm still gonna have a little bit of extension right now in my low back. So before I lift, I'm gonna try to round that slightly and just find those low abs, pelvic floor a little bit more. So I can feel that slight pelvic tuck going on. And I'm gonna go ahead and lift my knees off and hold. We're gonna breathe in. Think of breathing into your upper back, behind the chest wall. And think of letting your ribs move sideways so that you can maintain that pressure and tension through the abs. So we're just isometrically holding this position. And the bigger the breaths here, the harder you will make it. So making sure you're filling up all the way and exhaling all the way. And that should really activate again abs, diaphragm, and getting a little bit of tuck in the pelvis, so we might feel little hamstrings releasing the low back.